Alright, let's just get this show on the road, because I'm tired and I want to go hang back out with my friends. And we're all good. Bye-bye. Well, if it isn't Mr. Redline himself. So, how does it feel to be mimicking a Redline train? Why does everyone keep joking around about this? Oh my god, it's just red bonding strips. I'm still an orange line train, no matter what y'all say. Yeah. Welcome to the club. What club? You don't get associated with any other train. Oh yeah, good point. What the hell? Can't stand purple zone. Oh my god! Orange Line 1400 series. What have you done? Nabby CNG, I do not need teasing from you. You shut your fucking ass up now. Orange Line 1400 series. You trying to become with the red line trains or something? Trying to go back with your ex 1900 series, trying to impress them? For your information, we broke up, like, I don't even know how long ago. I think we broke up at the start of July. Yeah, we broke up at the start of July. That still doesn't sound like breaking up to me. Yeah, oh my god, that was still recent. Okay, that's it. I don't need this amount of joking / teasing from you guys. At this point, if I'm gonna get teased this much, I might as well go to the MBTA club, where the rest of our MBTA friends can see what I look like in teasing. That was wild how the hell we got here. And I'm still baffled on how the hell we got here anyways. Teleportation is... oh my god. You're telling me Orange Line 1400 series. Absolutely shocking how teleportation works. Oh my god. And I'm honestly surprised that we teleported here and now all of a sudden we have our hats on. Oh my god. Well, at least some of us. Orange, what the hell? How did you get here? And also, why do you have red bonding strips on? Is this what people are all talking about? That you're becoming a red line train now? Better explain this to me. Okay, alright. The truth is, I only did this because of you, Hunter Rodums. I thought you wouldn't like me if I had left myself the original way with scrapes on, because I accidentally, not even accidentally, I just got into a fight with the green line type 8. Yeah, and it absolutely hurt. You're just lucky that a week passed, that I had, that I could be lucky to go out again. Shut it, Green Line Type 8, let him finish the story. And then when I went to go get fixed, they didn't have the correct orange paint. So then, they were looking for bonding strips, and they didn't find any orange bonding strips, so now we're down to here, where we had to use red. I hope you still like me, and you don't plan on dumping me because of this. Oh, sweet. You know, I would get it if you got damaged and tried to get repaired. We're all gonna get damaged at some point. Don't sweat about it. And you know that. And I'm just glad they made your train into a red line train as a joke. They actually thought it. It's crazy. Well, when you think about it, you were on the right path. Shut up, Green Line Type 8. I'm glad you know how to do yourself, but still. Ah, yes, this is good. Orange apparently knew how to be himself still. So he wasn't trying to turn into a red line train. I'm glad. Could have gave us that explanation up before we came here. At least I'm glad he learned a lesson. I don't think he learned a lesson at all. I'm gonna teach him a fucking lesson myself. For what? Are your anger issues coming in again? Yes, they are. If anything, I felt like this all damn week. And also, if anything, I feel like it's very insulting to us that he's a new guy that joined the club only a few years ago and taking over the Orange Line 12's position. And they think they can be disrespectful to our line because we're the legends and he's trying to become something that he's not. It's too bad. That's very disrespectful in my eyes. Okay, first of all, how is that even disrespect? I very well agree. Doesn't matter, I'm still gonna teach him a nice fucking lesson.
Oh no you don't. If you lay a finger on him, I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Same here, bucko. Oh my god, all on the side? This is already feeling so good.
I know, right?
Yeah. No one's gonna mess with you on my watch, sweetie. And I gave you your hat. Since I know you teleported here and didn't have it. Thanks, girlfriend. Less flirty. More beating up this little nigga because he thinks he can do whatever the hell he wants. Bring it on, motherfuckers. I can take you all down. You wanna underestimate me? Well, too bad. You can't. Oh god, here we go.
Ah! What the fuck? Ah! How could you all be dominating me? Ah! Because your fucking ass is too weak. See? You may be old, but we know what to do, even though we're young. Ah!
Well, at least I'm from the 90s. Shut up, Green Line Type 8. Sounds like they're having fucking fun in there. I wish I could get in there, but I'm too tall.